line for sandbags is lengthy, but the operation, a well-oiled machine. Many people we spoke to say that the 1-hour wait was worth it, especially for that extra peace of mind. Some preparing for the storm with a new strategy in place. Kenny Livingston is energized. He's got a long to-do list to tackle and wasting no time to get it done.
I've got to evacuate my family. I've got to prep our house as much as possible to give it a fighting chance.
Fighting floodwater, a familiar routine in his Shore Acres community. This is what the St. Pete neighborhood looked like when Idalia hit last year.
Flooding's inevitable, so, you know, with the predictions, the other day I woke up to see some really high numbers that I've never seen before. It seemed to come down a little bit. We're still concerned about it.
His concern turned into action this week, testing out a new storm strategy, installing this gate to keep floodwater from seeping into his garage.
This system is these brackets that are pressing down on the boards and pressing them against as well with heavy-duty screws, hardware, aluminum, neoprene to hopefully seal up any of the cracks as well.
It just feels like a really bad string of luck.
Brian Fisher also finding a creative way to protect his property.
Sounds crazy, but I'm trying to seal the crawl space as well so that water doesn't come up through the house and up through the floors.
But preparing for another storm is taking a toll.
It feels like it's happening once or twice a year, so I don't know if it's just like a few bad years or if this is the norm, but it's not sustainable.
So the window to prepare for the storm is closing. There's about half a dozen sites throughout the city of St. Pete. They will be closing at 7 p.m. Reporting from St. Pete, Lenny Supal, 8 on your side.